Yeah. Hi, students. This is Dr. Badrinath. We are studying the subject of social and preventive pharmacy, poverty and health. A very strong relationship is there between the poverty and the disease. Wherever poverty is there, the disease will come. But it is not irreversible. Okay. Don't think that where is the disease, there will be a property. No, no such a thing. But where is a property, there is a definitely there will be any disease. Either one or in another way, it is there. So here, this is a today's topic. What is poverty? What is a health? What is diseases? How poverty and diseases are both are related. That points we will see. Try to cover. See the poverty. By seeing the picture itself, we came to know what is the situation of the poverty in India. Also, it is the how to define a poverty. How to find poverty in India? How to define it? Okay, rural area and urban areas we know very well. This is a rural area in the village area. If your income is less than 61.80 pies per person per month, per person per month. If your income is less in the rural area, if you are in a rural area, then the government will consider you as a poverty. Why 61.80 pies only? That is actually needed to purchase a daily needs. Okay, it is a minimum thing required to purchase your daily needs. That's why it is fixed. This rate will be either increased or decreased. It's going on. Fluctuation may be there. Approximately 61. This is last year data. 61 point you have to write in the examination. How to define poverty means this is called a poverty line. If your income is below this line, definitely they will say you are below the property, below the poverty, not property, below the poverty. So here in the urban areas, 10 rupees is some extra is there. So 71.30 per person per month in the urban area. If your income is less than this, then you can say it is a poverty. You are below the poverty line. Okay, you are unable to purchase the daily needs. That's why it is. So in cities, since the cost is more, they fixed this one 71.30. In rural areas, amount is less. No, sales that and all will be less. No, costly will be less price will be there. That's why they fixed this one 60. So how to find poverty in India means this is the thing. Okay, 61 and 71 you can keep in your mind. We are studying the subject of social and preventive pharmacy for fourth year B Pharmacy, eighth semester. Okay, eighth semester. However, the semesters will be gone changing in this video. In this year, they put in the eighth semester. Next year, they may be changed to seventh semester or sixth semester. That we don't know. Presently, that is the situation, but the same syllabus will be there. And the concept here, you can see the concept of poverty and health. This is about the first unit. We are completing the first unit, poverty and health. That is the today's topic. And points what I have covered in this class is the poverty introduction and statistics, cases of poverty, causes, not cases, causes of poverty, poverty relation with the health. There is a four poverty traps are there. Traps, different traps are there. It traps how poverty will traps you. That is a thing is that once you trap it in the poverty, you will be cycle. It is just like a cycle. Okay. So what are these four poverty traps? Mental health, physical health, pregnancy effects, education and job. Trap one, trap two, trap three, trap four. All these traps we will see. This is a poverty line. So these are the people below the income of their personal income per month is 61.3080 rupees. Okay. So if you cross that income, definitely you are above the poverty line. You cannot be considered as a poverty. Yeah, this is introduction. Poverty is nothing but a state. State means not Andhra Pradesh, not Telangana. Okay, state means it is a position or a condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources. There is no finance power, no for a minimum standard of living. Minimum standard of living 61 rupees point 80 paise is the minimum standard of living in the rural area. If it is income is less than that is, then you can say it is a poverty means the income level from the employment is low, that basic human needs cannot be met. Basic necessary water will be not there. So if you want to purchase, you cannot purchase. You want to purchase the rice item, dal item, or biscuit packet, you can daily needs, not the luxury item, daily needs. The poverty is a six types is there. Only headings are important. That's it. Don't write in the depth in the examination. Absolute poverty. relative poverty, situational poverty, depending upon situation, situational poverty, generational poverty, from generations together it comes poverty, rural poverty and urban poverty. This is depends upon the place. Either you are in the rural area or urban area, either it comes a generation or absolute. Really, if you are coming from only poverty family, then you can say it is absolute poverty. Even though you have money and you lost money, entire your money you lost, then you can say it is a relative poverty. You are relating to that, like that one. Absolute means you genuinely. 38 of 1,000, not 100. 38 of 1,000 babies are die in India because of the poverty, because of the malnutrition. Because of poverty, they are unable to purchase the nutrition. So malnutrition will be there. So 38 people still they are dying out of 1,000 in India before their first birthday. Just imagine, before their first birthday. So this statistics you have to write in the examination. This is 27 crores. Don't get confusion. 27 crores Indians are poor. Okay, as per 2012 data, and 1 in 5 Indians. This is equal to one in Indian is poor. So his income is below the 61.80 rupees per month. This person, whereas the remaining are the high. This is the India's poverty profile. 80%, see here, out of 10, 8 members. So that's why 80%. 80% of Indians are poor, live in the rural areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So among the 10, 85% are poor, live in the rural areas. Okay, the remaining are all not required. Only 3 points you can be right here. These are the causes of Indian poverty. First one is the population explosion. Plenty of population are coming like anything in India. That is the main thing. So that limited resources are very limited. Weak institutions, organizations are very weak. Corruption is there. So if anything, any scheme, if central government will start or state government, between the people who are all there, they will take because of the corruption. So amount is not reaching to the poor people. Lack of education and literacy. That is also a lack of education. They are not educating. That's why unhealthy. Poverty will come, low income. And colonial past, it is nothing but colonies, but not much required. Only headings are there. 4 traps are there. These traps are very, very important. You have to keep in your mind. Very easy also. You can write easily in the examination. Trap 1 is mental health. See, first poverty, what happened? This poverty, when there was a poverty, person is always thinking mentally. See the brain here. That's why the heading is mental health. Mentally he is thinking money worries will be there. I want to purchase rice, I want to purchase a dal, I do not have, worrying, always worrying. All our income is high, my income is low. What about I have to look towards my child, wife will ask all the everything, some needs, basic needs will be there. Okay, current bill they have to pay, phone bill they have to pay, necessary things are there. Okay, and any disease will come, again you have to go to the doctor. So also these worries are there. All these money worries, it makes the stress. Okay, it makes the stress on the brain, anxiety. They will get depression. They will undergo the depression. Under depression, they will go for liquor. Okay, or high BP will be there. Insomnia will be there. Insomnia, sleeplessness will be there because they are worrying. See how worrying. And suicidal tendency also come. So money worries, mentally money worries will come. This leads to stress, anxiety, depression, high income. So mentally disturbed, poor mental health will be there. Mentally disturbed, unable to do focus on the work or unable to focus on the job because of the mental worries. So unable to focus on the work means low income. Low income means again poverty. Poverty leads to low income. Low income again leads to poverty. It is a cycle. This is just like a trap. That's why I called it as a trap. It traps you. Once you put your leg inside this, it will be recycled only. It will be cycling like that only. If you want to come outside, it will be very big task. Next is trap 2, physical health. Poverty is there. One poverty, what it causes, unable to purchase the food. If you are unable to purchase the food to you, your wife and your child, what happened? Poor diet. Are unable to eat it, poor. So hunger, you'll feel hunger, malnutrition will be there, vitamin deficiency, mineral deficiency, poor immune system. Immune system is there means number of high chances of the diseases. So all these things will come because you are not taking a proper food, proper vitamin food, proper nutritional food because of the poverty. Poverty leads to poor food leads to number of diseases. So what happened? Your low physical power, see here, physical power, low energy to go for work, poor physical fitness will not be there, unable to do work job. Okay, it leads to again low income. Low income leads to poverty. See, this is also trap. This is called a physical health trap. First one is a mental health trap. Okay, physical health trap. Next is pregnancy effects. This is also one trap. Because of the poverty, poor diet to the pregnant lady. Pregnant lady is taking a very poor diet, very poor. So it leads to genetical disorders also. So delivery of the underweight babies are not having sufficient weight. Severe long-term, serious and severe long-term diseases like sight defects, eye cannot work, ear cannot work, ears cannot work, eye cannot work, and organ disability, organs will not be developed properly because of the poor diet of the pregnancy. After delivery, these are the problems will come up to the end of again his death. Okay, organ disability will be there, decreased lifespan will be there because mother is not taking, during a pregnancy, mother is not taking a proper food. Okay, so children are, because of the poverty again. Okay, children are unable to grow properly. So because of this problem, children are unable to grow, they are unable to do work job. So low income will be there. Low income leads to again poverty. You cannot find this material anywhere, you cannot find. Okay, because I have prepared by seeing all the 4 to 5 textbooks, it is summarized and it is representing you. Okay, trap 4, education and jobs. Poverty, you have a less income because of the poverty, less money is there, so you are unable to fees for your school or college, not affordable for education. So you automatically will get a fail mark or a low qualification because you have not paid the fees. You are unable to educate, low qualification will be there, less job opportunities are there, only less salary jobs is there. This less salary job means low income. Low income means again you are in the poverty only. See, this is a trap. How? See here, this is a person, he educated well, he has a good amount, so that he is affordable, he studied well. Okay, and he is, because of the poverty problems, he is always remaining as a poor only. He is always remaining as a rich because high income. He has a high education, high income. Again, he will get a rich. Okay, so rich people still getting a richer. Poor people still getting a poor. That is only the thing here. Okay, so this is a rupee, Indian rupee, how the situation is going on. These are the below 61.85 people. These are the below poverty line. These are above poverty line. Per head capital income, they will calculate it as an average in a family. Okay, so I will end my session here. Okay, thank you.